Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got some packages arrived, things I bought. I'm selling stuff. Selling one type of business equipment to substitute for another. I'm going to work smart and not hard. So I'm going to get out of the logging industry. I was going to get into firewood business with Chris, but I got hurt. Right now this hurts really bad again today. I don't know why. I didn't do much with it yesterday. Well, I did a little, didn't I? Opening that thing up. So I got hurt and well, I'm going to slow down and do other things. Now this is some packing film I need for mailing stuff. No big deal there. This here, this is the cool one right here. I know what this is. I've been waiting on this. Ordered this about the same time I ordered that Harbor Freight machine that's out in the garage. By the way, if you're going to say something stupid like, "Oh, Troy, I thought you were hurt. How are you going to be working on that?" I'm going to delete your comment. I did delete the comments. And it's obvious I'm not going to be doing anything much for a while, but I can sure prepare for stuff, and I'm going to do it. So what I got here is hopefully something going to be good for me here and helpful for the business. This is a mini compound. This camera is awkward for me. I got to get used to this camera. It says mini compound bench. It's like a CNC table for your drill press. Now I don't plan on doing any real CNC work with the drill press because your drill press isn't made for the sideways work. It's for up and down. So I don't want to wreck my drill press, but what I do want to do, I knew there'd be a piece of tape on there. What I do want to do is drill precision holes with the drill press. So these are all over eBay, these things. And there's different reviews, good and bad, pros and cons. But what I'm looking at is just the ability to drill a precision hole every time. So what I got here is the ability to dial in where the holes are going to be. This has got a nice table so I can clamp things down in there, and then I don't know if there's any lock on that or not. There's a gauge, but it's a sliding gauge, so I don't know why they put a sliding gauge. I guess you could zero it if you want. There is a mark on here. You could zero your gauge, I guess. Why it's sliding, I'm not sure why you would want to do that, but there is a gauge on there. Oh, this camera I'm going to have to get used to. It's way different from my other. Well, anyway, the focus isn't so hot on this one. I'll tell you, the Sony Handycam is one of the best things you can get. There's your forward and backward. Very, very fine. This is just going to be so much better when I'm on my feet again. This is going to be amazing. Maybe in the next couple days here, I want to get out there in the garage and work on the drill press a little bit. Give me a couple more days and I might be working on that. And then you got your, so this is going to work. How's this going to move? I don't even see anything happening. What's going on here? Oh, okay. Wow, that is incredibly slow. That is precision. I've only gone just now a ½ inch. That is incredibly precise. Let me see. I'm still turning, getting to an inch, and I just got an inch. That is some serious amounts of turns to get dial in an inch on that. going back to 0 just to see. I'd hate to have to crank that out too far for each cut, but I'll tell you though, there we go. I think there's handles on that. I'll tell you though, that is going to be amazing for my drill press. There's a whole mess of hardware. I believe we're going to have a handle. I'm not sure if that's it. I'll have to check the instructions, but I'm pretty sure that's going to be the handle for that. It looks like it anyway. To allow you to... Oh yeah, that makes everything different. So much faster that way. So there's your dial-in handles to help you crank that faster. Oh, even better. I see. There you go. I knew that didn't look quite right. There you go. There's your handle. Obviously some assembly required. There is a little tool in here. I don't know what that... It's definitely not for that. That's a screwdriver. Oh, there must... Oh yeah, there's fine adjustments on here. There is a tool for adjusting something or other on here. I'm going to have to check all the instructions. But I can tell enough just by looking at it. And from the... There you go. Oh yeah, look at that. So much better. So much better. So you can really dial that in. And then you got clamps. So how this works, you can put these through. And now I've heard... Where did that just go? Eh? You probably saw it. I wasn't looking. Oh, there it is. I've heard some things about the clamps on these, you know, that they're not the greatest. I'm probably going to fashion up some kind of a jig on here. My point is that I can then, so you can put these in wherever you want and then clamp it down on your workspace. Obviously there's 2 screws per... Oh, I see, that one's threaded. Good enough. So you clamp down your pieces on the workbench here, and you can do your fine work, fine drilling, or CNC work, if that's what you choose to do. I might play around a little bit with CNC, but I'm not going to go wild on it, because this isn't, although it feels sturdy, there's no play. I guess we'll see. So there's 3 different slider rails for the attachments, or for the clamps, so you can secure your work on there nicely. Well, this is going to be a very fine tool for my new machine shop. Bolts down to your drill press. This is designed for a drill press, and it's going to help me so much to do precision machining. Again, I'm getting rid of all the heavy equipment and big heavy duty stuff, and I'm moving more into manufacturing. So you'll be seeing that, things that I'm going to be making will be coming up as soon as I get back on my feet again. I got exciting plans for the future. So there you go, guys. There's a mini compound bench, it says here. You can find them all over eBay. Beware, the shipping is horrendously slow. I did buy 2 of these, one each from 2 different sellers, and neither one of them arrived in any good time. So if you do buy one, just be patient. They're probably not in America, although it says 1-day shipping, 1-day dispatch. Not gonna happen. But I think it's well worth it. I think it's going to help me tremendously. So I got another one coming one day soon, hopefully. Well, there you go, guys. A really amazing, I mean, it's tight. There's no play. I think it's going to do the job. You got the adjustments for tension on the sliders, so there you go. Amazing little help in the machine shop. Well, thanks for watching, guys. You can find these on eBay, probably Amazon, but they're really cheap, $35. Well, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, getting ready for a new business, setting stuff up. Gonna work easy and not hard. I'm not gonna be hurting myself out there anymore and destroying my body. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow my videos as I get back on my feet again, and hopefully back to daily videos again. Talk to you all later.